Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you how to change the distance measuring units from miles to kilometers or vice versa. This video will apply to third generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. This change will also apply to fuel consumption units as well, so from liters per 100 kilometers to miles per gallon. Okay, so right now as you can see everything is in kilometers per hour. I'm in Canada. This is the vehicle mileage and distance to empty gas tank, and now I will show you how to change that to miles. So you want to press the settings here on the main screen. You want to press right to enter the second part of the main menu and then select others. And you have the units, select units and click on kilometers here, and that will change to miles. And now if I show you my instrument cluster, you can see the current speed is in miles per hour. Distance to empty is in miles and everything is in miles, right? So this is a very handy feature, especially if you often drive between Canada and United States. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.